Welcome to Smart ABC Car Body Repair Specialist Scotland. We offer a mobile auto paint repair service and body repair service, so we can come to you wherever you may be, at work, at home, or even whilst you're travelling in and around Edinburgh, the Lothians and the Scottish borders. We use unique technologies and processes to provide a service that ensures accurate colour matching and a job that will last. We are also a recommended and approved car dealership repairer. We offer a number of services including stone chip repairs, key scratch repairs, bumper repairs, vandal scratch repairs, cosmetic paint rectification and colour coding, black plastic bumper welding, flaking paint surfaces, repair of small dents and creases, alloy wheel refurbishment and damage repairs. Call us and we'll come to you for convenient auto paint repairs that last.